Hey guys, this is Murphy. I just want to let you know that if I do win this case, which I should, I did nothing wrong. If I do, we will still be getting daily uploads from the Murphy channel. We will also be doing everything we can to stay out of trouble again, even though we didn't do anything. Now, Murphy, I hope you guys will enjoy the court case because we were able to get it on film. Goodbye. Hey, this is Murphy. This was my judge. He was 6 years as a judge. He's going to decide my fate. He's judged over 1,000 cases and he's 42 years old. Judge Jabberjaw. This is my lawyer. He is going to be helping me get through this case, even though I should already be winning because they're just lying. But this is my lawyer, Franklin T. Fox. He's very smart and he's never lost a case.
Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Jabberjaw residing.
Everybody, the court is now in session here between the state of South Carolina and Murphy B. Dinkley. We'd like to start off. Murphy is facing many charges here, possibly. The first charge would be driving drunk, along with assaulting police officers while trying to be arrested. He was also evading arrest, along with hurting innocent people when he supposedly crashed into a bus. Would anybody, first we would ask the prosecution if they would like to say any opening remarks. Yes.
I know that Murphy is guilty of driving drunk, assaulting police, and crashing into a bus.
Would Murphy B. Dinkley like to say anything?
Yes, we would, Your Honor. Thank you very much. I am Franklin T. Fox. I will be representing Mr. Dinkley today. And ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you all for giving your valuable time to this case. It is a very serious case, as you know, but I would like all of you to know that my client is innocent. Let me repeat, innocent of all of these horrific accusations. And I will know, and I will prove to you that the prosecution is just trying to make a name for himself by manipulating the evidence and trying to railroad my client. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, Your Honor.
The court is now back in session between Murphy and the state of South Carolina. We would like to ask Murphy, please quiet down in the court. The prosecution has two witnesses here. Sir Booty Bottom, who was on the bus the night of the accident, and Doug, who followed Murphy home out of the bars. Maurice is going to ask these people some questions. So we'll begin with Maurice.
Sir Booty Bottom, what did you see on the night of the crash?
Well, I'm Sir Booty Bottom here, and I knew I was on the bus, and I was sitting there, thinking about my day, and all of a sudden I see this crazy man coming, and he's flying down the road. It looks like he's chugging beer, and then he got close to me. I saw that's Maurice not Maurice, that's Murphy from the talk show. Sorry, Maurice, I was thinking of you're my favorite one, but I was thinking of Murphy, and then all of a sudden, I saw he was chugging beer, and he was coming toward me fast, so I jumped over the seat because I was like, I'm not gonna die tonight. Come on, Mama, to make sure that everybody, to tell her that I was okay, because I'm sure she was gonna hear about me scared, but I was definitely Murphy Dinkley who was driving my car. He was definitely drunk because I saw lots of beer cans flying around.
Lies!
Silence in the court!
No!
Keep speaking, Sir Booty Bottom.
Yes, but anyway, that was definitely Murphy Dinkley who was driving that car. He was definitely drunk.
Maurice, any more questions for you, sir?
Yes, I have one more question for my testimonies. So, you crashed into the bus, but what time did you leave the bar and track Murphy down just to make sure?
Well, man, I left the bar around, it was like 5:30, 5:35, something like that.
Not true.
It was like, Murphy! Quiet in the court! Quiet in the court.
Are you lying?
Silence! Okay, God, continue, please. Well, anyway, my name's Derek here, and I was like, start over. So it's 5:30 when I left the bar. And I followed him from back. You know, I followed him because I knew he was drunk. And I took a picture of him before he left the bar. I see he was sitting there, he was definitely drunk. He was just like knocking back in the seat. He was drunk. I saw him pop over with a beer can. He started driving with a beer can down the road. And I followed him, and you know, I took another picture about 2 minutes before the accident, something like that. And he was definitely drunk because he was chugging down here, and then, you know, this bus was making a turn, and there was a red light. He ran through the red light band, and he ran right into that bus, and boom, you know, I had this massive crash, you know, bus flipped over, everybody's going insane. You know, I thought, oh my God, this is crazy. It's not the best thing I've seen in my life.
I object, Your Honor. This is hearsay.
Please quiet until the prosecution has asked all the questions.
This is speculation, Your Honor. This is all speculation.
Sir.
He's leading the jury.
Please be quiet, sir. We will let John continue with his testimony, please. But anyway, man, you know, and that's what it sounds like. This is crazy stuff going on here, man. I got called the police, so I called the police. They come down, and then, you know, Murphy got out of the car because he seemed to be all right. I don't think he was injured that much. And he started fighting the police because they were trying to arrest him, man. He started like smacking them and fighting them, and they had to tase him to get him down on the ground. It was crazy. But that's my side of the story. Maurice, got any more questions for the two witnesses here?
Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Did you guys see any of the attacking the police, or did you get out of there right away?
So who is this question asked for here?
This question was asked for, Sir Big Booyah?
Sir Booty Bottom? Sir Booty Bottom, please answer the question.
Oh, yes, Sir Big Booyah here. I was the one that followed, you know, I was the one that was on the bus. I was on the bus, but, you know, I didn't really see who attacking the police, because, you know, when they hit the front of his car, hit the bus, man, I was flying. I flew right off the bus, flying off my seat, going crazy upside down. I was going crazy on that bus, and I was just thinking, man, I wish I was out. I think I'm okay, but I couldn't get out of the bus to see him attacking anybody. But I didn't see him attack anybody, but I don't know if that was true or not. I just know my part story, and that's not part of my story. Okay, thank you.
Any more questions for Maurice?
Nope.
Alright, now, friends, we'll now ask the questions of the two witnesses here for Maurice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, please listen to the testimony of these witnesses very closely. Your Honor, I cannot afford these interruptions. This is not fair.
Please, silence in the court when someone is talking.
Thank you, Your Honor. My first question is for Doug. Doug, you say you were on the bus when this incident occurred?
No, I was on the. You mean to be joking? Sir Booty Bottom was on the bus, and Doug followed him home.
Doug. Okay, so Doug, you followed him home from this incident.
Yes.
And how was his driving on the way home?
Yeah, I just want to say, it was bad. His driving was really bad, man. He was going all over the place. You know, one time he was traveling in the wrong lane. People thought he was pretty ready. Not know it was out, but, you know.
It was a yes or no question, Doug. Thank you. Okay, Doug, so what road were you on when you followed him?
We were on Highway 54.
Lies, Jerry. Lies! If you look at the police report, it clearly states Highway 274, not Highway 55.
I didn't say 55, sir. I said 54.
54, okay, well, 55 minus 1 is 54. Either way, you're wrong. You got me? Now, my question for...
He's lying!
Next question is for Sir Booty Bottom, I believe your name is?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
So, you were on the bus, correct?
Oh, yes, I was the one that was on the bus, right?
Okay. And which direction was the bus going, and which direction was supposed Mr. Dinkley driving?
Well, Mr. Dinkley driving, he was coming straight on the road because it was a full way here. I was on this side of the road, and I was telling him going the other way to go back home. And I hope everyone can see my hands right now over here. My hands are over here. Over here. So, this is Murphy. He's coming red this way.
Objection, Your Honor. I think the witness is high. I believe the witness is high, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Now I want you to ask yourselves, how is it possible that my client, who was not driving by the way, supposedly hit this bus on the side when he was coming from the opposite direction? How would he have hit it on the complete opposite side of that bus?
I love chocolate.
It's not possible the way he's describing this accident.
Please remain silent when someone
Not
stops.
to mention, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that the police report shows the vehicle was towed away from the scene of the accident with the bus.
That's very true.
So therefore, Doug is also perjuring himself on the witness stand because there is no way that he could have followed Mr. Dinkley home when the vehicle was towed from the scene. Am I correct?
What are you talking about? Are you talking about good or good?
I'm talking about a conspiracy here in this courtroom is what I'm talking about.
You're doing too insane over there, sir. Please calm down. The court. The court is now back in session here. Now we are questioning the person on trial, Murphy B. Dinkley. I'd like to start off with, does the prosecution have any questions for Murphy?
Yes, I do have a question for Murphy B. Dinkley. So, Murphy, did you attack 2 police officers?
No, I did not attack the police officer, but I did try to help the other people who had been injured. I did, and tried a little fight with the police officers because I wanted to help the people who were maybe injured.
But you know, sir, that you shouldn't fight with the police and that you should deal with what they're saying. You know that, sir?
Murphy, but you did admit to attacking police officers just then. You just said, I did fight them. You just said that.
I did not attack them. I gave one a little push because I wanted to help him. I was a retired doctor, and I know how to do some helpful
But
stuff.
you admit to fighting with the police right there.
No, I don't.
Now you're lying, sir. We would like to
Yes, sir.
pass it on back to Maurice for a question.
So, were you drinking the night of the crash, or were you just like sitting there or doing that?
I did drink, but I told my friend to drive because it was just me and him. I told him to drive because I had drank.
I know, but what did he say?
He said yes because he hasn't been drinking.
Who's your friend and what is his name?
His name is Timmy T-Bone.
Murphy here. How can you explain this picture that we have that the one of the witnesses has? I believe it was Doug. He has a picture of you in the car drinking alcohol. You were driving the car. This is Maurice speaking here. You were in the car with alcohol, and we have a picture of that.
Sir, that is a lie. Someone must have made a fake photo because that is a very big lie.
Any more questions for the prosecution here?
Yes, I have one more question. So perfect. Do you think that your friend that was going to drive you home should have said yes to drive you home?
Well, he did say yes to driving me home. He was the one driving. But when he had a little bit of problem with one of his diseases, I stretched over and tried to save us from getting in a crash.
But Murphy, then why? Yeah, we have on your sentence that it says drunk driving, and if you say that you were not driving and you just tried to save us, then why did you admit to having a DUI?
I didn't admit to having that. You were just making up lies.
You need to shut up! That is not
Order in the court! Order in the court! Please. We do not use foul language in the court. Now we will pass the questions over to Murphy B. Dinkley and his lawyer.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Dinkley, I have a few serious questions for you and I need your honest answers. Do you admit to being in the vehicle on the night of the incident?
Yes, I do admit to being in the vehicle because I was there at the wrong time.
And were you driving this vehicle, Mr. Dinkley?
No, I was not driving the vehicle.
Did you consume any alcoholic beverages before you proceeded out that evening?
Yes, I had to.
Okay. So, my question for you is, who was actually driving this vehicle?
Well, like I said, Timmy T-Bone was driving the vehicle. He was driving us to get some food because he had not been drinking.
That's a lie.
So how did he end up wrecking the vehicle into the side of this bus?
Well, he had a medical condition, and he must have had something wrong with his medical condition because once he kind of just lost it, and he was just in the middle of nowhere. So I had to stretch over, and I had to try to fix the car, and it was already too late because we had already hit the bus.
This is Maurice here. I have a question. How come if your friend T-Bone was driving you home, how come T-Bone was not found at the scene of the accident? How come, Murphy? Murphy, how come?
Well, he wasn't found because he was taken away from the hospital in about 2 minutes. They got there immediately because the hospital was next door.
Yes, but how come that T-Bone, how come that there wasn't a picture of him? How come there's a picture of you in the driving seat leaving the bar?
Well, there
And not
isn't.
T-Bone.
That must be fake.
Your Honor, is this not my witness now? Doesn't the prosecution already have their day and their time? Can I finish my line of questioning, Your Honor?
Prosecution, show up. We'll turn the question back over to Murphy B. Waters.
Mr. Dinkley, with the recent evidence just presented, I would ask you another question. And that question would be, they found your blood at the scene and your fingerprint on the steering wheel, supposedly. Now, you said that your friend was driving and had an incident, and you had to reach over and take control of the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Were either of you wearing your seatbelts?
No, we are not wearing our seatbelts.
So I am to assume that Mr. T-Bone was thrown from the vehicle,
Yep.
and you were thrown from the passenger side to the driver's side, and that's how you ended up there?
Yeah.
And that is how and why witnesses and police say he was the driver, when he was clearly not. Now, I will also ask the prosecution, even though there's no police here to verify,
Order in the court.
that the blood that was found on the scene was found on the passenger's side of the vehicle, where Mr. Dinkley's head impacted the dashboard during the accident. So if he was driving, how would his blood be on the passenger side and not the driver's side? Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that is for you to decide. But I think it's pretty clear that the evidence shows that my client is telling the truth. I rest my case.
The court is now back in session between the state of South Carolina and Murphy B. Dinkley. We'll now hear what the jury has to say. Jury, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, do you have a verdict?
Yes, we, the jury, find the defendant, Murphy D. Dinkley,
I'll do it.
not guilty.
Hello, this is Murphy. Guys, I know it's before the case, and I just want to make sure you guys know I'm going to rip this case right through my mouth. I won 5 cases, and my lawyer, he's never lost. And I mean, I didn't do anything wrong. And we all know that. I'm just a good dog. And why would I do that? So I'm going to take the big W in the case, and I hope you guys know. Goodbye. We'll see you. Hopefully this video, there'll be videos after. If there isn't, well then, some stupid judge decided to put me in prison for no reason. Okay, guys? Goodbye.